Amen nonke. Amen, amen, amen. Thokozani. Ngiyanibingelela nonke kumagumbi amane omhlaba. I'm greeting you all in the mighty name of God. Wozani. I'm waiting and willing. I'm waiting, guys. Where are you? Where are you? Where are the bullies? Where are the people that wants to learn? We're going to continue with the topic. Come, I'm waiting for you guys. Amen, amen, amen. Amen, 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 amen. I wish I knew how to sing. Amen, Melanie. Amen, Melanie. Yes, amen, nonke. Woman of God. You remind me of my Nigerian patients. Woman of God. Amen, nonke, amen, nonke. Okay. I'm greeting you all in the mighty name of God. God the Creator. Lo ngabonwayo. Right. Guys, siyafundisana. Oh, thank you, Younger, for the heart. I feel loved. I feel loved. I feel loved. I feel loved. Thank you, guys. We're going to continue discussing indaba yamabhayi. Ngicela nonke nisondele. Ngicela nama-bullies asondele because I experienced so much bullying. Ngikopa leta mele kaofela le di-bullies tsa teng. Okay. I'm chosen for a purpose on earth. Dokotela. Amen. I'm chosen. I was chosen to change the world. I was chosen for a purpose. I did not choose myself. I will always repeat that one. So the reason for the live, there's lots of people that did not understand me. There's lots of people that misquoted me. There's lots of people that, some of them were accusing me of speaking English. I mean, what language must I speak? Angithi navuma ukolonizwa. So English is the language that everybody else understands. It's a medium language for maybe for the majority, you know. It's not to undermine people or it's not to whatever. If you don't hear me, please raise your hand. I'm going to repeat what I'm saying in all vernacular languages because I know them. Today, please ask questions. Don't go to my inbox and ask me questions because I've got people that I'm healing. It's not fair for me to leave the people waiting and come and answer you. And then some of you were inboxing me, commenting the things that they're supposed to comment on the group. Comment on the group. Comment on the group. Comment on the page. Thank you, Medi now. Hey, comment on the group. Because the group, the page is for everybody to learn. We're here to learn. People are suffering. Umoya is real, guys. Umoya is real. And it's not demonic. Yes, demons are there. Demons are there. And we are called to fight demons. You remember when Jesus was healing people, they said he's using demons to heal the people. So as us, how many times have we been called witches? How many times have we been called whatever? Okay, let's start. There's few people, but I'm going to start anyway. Okay, I experienced a lot of bullying. Abanye benu were bullying. Abanye benu didn't even understand the core of the topic. They thought I'm pushing indoctrination. I'm not pushing indoctrination. Our forefathers were indoctrinated. Then they further passed that to their next generation. Then they further passed that to us. Amen. I'm not going to continue with that. I'm going to put a block. I don't care whoever says anything. If you are in my page to come and insult me, please open your page. If you are in my page because you are knowledgeable, my page is for the people that wants to learn. It's not for the people that knows a lot. If you know a lot, open your page. Open your page. Siphikisane khona sihlangane khona. Ne? Amen nomnikelo. Akwande, amako. Open your page. Abanye benu didn't understand anything. If you don't understand the core of the topic, please re-ask. Don't insult me, because if you insult me, I will show you that I was called. Count your days. Count your lucky days. It's not a threat, but it's the truth. Ngabizwa ngingafuni. Ngangafuni. Ubizwa ngangalifuni. But I was called to heal people and they get healed. Right? I'm not going to continue with the old lies that I grew up being told. I'll put a stop to it. I was called to bring a change and make corrections of where I went wrong and where people goes wrong. And some of those mistakes that I was correcting is the mistakes that I did myself. That is why I'm here to help you. And listen to understand. If you listen to understand, kuzokusiza besides nje ukuvela uphendule nje ungazi ukuthi uphendulani. Right? Buzani phela senibulisile ngisivile ngiyabonga. Right. The topic yamabhayi ngini ninabelaphi nakubaguli bakamoya. Remember, there is ICU kamoya. I'm a health professional, by the way, so ngizobekisa ngento engizaziyo. Ngini ninabaguli bakamoya. Umoya une intensive care, umoya une ICU yawo wona self. You cannot make a joke about something that is ravaging. You cannot make a joke. Abanye abantu they are suicidal. Abanye abantu they are on antidepressants. Ngendaba zomoya. So please don't make a joke about such things. Don't insult. Thank you, May Elizabeth. Don't insult umgcojwa kaNkulunkulu. My aunt once asked me this silly question. She said to me, "Which God do you believe in?" How many gods? There's only one God. Ongabonwayo. There's only one God. The step ladder that we use is only different, but there is only one God. There's only one God that we serve. God the Creator. Okay. Now, besikhuluma ngamabhayi, we were discussing amabhayi. I was told by God that some of the ancestral cloth that we are buying, that we are told to buy, are not good. Why? Not everyone is an ancestor. Not everybody that passes away is an ancestor. Listen to this and listen to this carefully and grasp it in your mind. That is why you will dream of your uncle or dream of whoever who was doing witchcraft. Akuthengi ibai. You're going to dream of that ancestral cloth, yet it's from someone that used to practice witchcraft on earth. Yet it's from someone who is not even ascended. Remember, there are people that are not ascended. Their souls are not ascended. And those people are the ones that are ravaging on earth. God did not accept them, Emazulwini, and we buried them on earth. I was talking about those particular people. You are going to dream of a buy, and then you are going to buy that ancestral cloth that is going to change your life for the West. Some people understood me. Some people did not. But those that wants to understand, they're going to understand today. Today, I'm giving you a platform to ask the questions. I'm going to answer you. God told me that the witches continues to be witches as souls. Then they disguise to you to be a good soul. Then you buy them. Ibai. Then ubahlabele. Then you're going to slaughter on their behalf. Then you are going to ask, then they're going to ask for amabai from you. You're going to buy lamabai. And then you're going to inherit their problems. And someone said to me, I'm advertising my church. Yes, I am. Why? Because I'm teaching the truth. Why? Because I want people to heal. Why? Because I want to change people that were done wrong in the society. Why? Because my reincarnator is now coming back to teach people the true things. You do not just buy ibai. I saw ibai ngalithenga, I saw ibai ngalithenga, but inhlupheko isesenjalo. I went to be initiated, but I'm still suffering. I've got lots of people that were initiated wrongly. So nifunani. Why am I correcting that? And some of you are mutilating me. Some of you are slicing me. Some of you are slicing me into biltong. Why are you doing that? Why don't you at least ask questions? So this is what I meant. Uthi Uthwasile, uthengile amabai. You think you went for initiation? You think you bought the ancestral cloth? Then why are you still suffering? Why are you still suffering? And get this straight. Not all ancestral clothes are wrong. Some are right. Some are wrong. Do not pull a witch back to your family. Because if you are the chosen, you are the person that is supposed to change everything within yourself and your family. So if you go, you dream of it, buy, you go and buy, you dream of it, buy, you go and buy, you don't even pray about it and meditate about it and ask, you don't even go to the healer and find out, I'm dreaming of ancestral cloth. I've brought as my ancestral cloth, but there's nothing changing in my life. Why don't you at least ask? If you see that, no, this is not working for me, why don't you ask? Why don't you find an authentic healer who is going to tell me, I will tell you, you dreamt of this and that and that, and this one was wrong, and this one was right. You are the person that is supposed to change the society. You are the person that is supposed to change your family, because you are the chosen. You are chosen for bigger things. Remember, our gift is bigger than ours. You can undermine me, Ezuthembi, Ezujin. You can undermine me. You can mutilate me. But the one that is living inside me, you are not going to be able to do that. You're not going to win. You're honestly not going to win. So, don't dream of it, buy and run to the shops and buy. Don't do that. Consult or pray or meditate or find out from your people if this was done in the family. If it wasn't done in the family, don't pull the witches. Don't pull the virus. Don't pull the virus and put it in the family. Don't pull the adopted spirits that you won't even know how to deal with them. You are suffering to align your own spirit. Then what's going to happen if you pull the spirits that are not even yours? Answer me. Answer me. Please write questions. This is your platform today. Because you're going to dream of it by any wrong, and you're going to slaughter. And if all things fails, you are going to be initiated. You're going to be initiated wrongly. You are going to take that witchcraft snake into yourself, into your family, and then you go and twasa. And then you're going to utlotisa nto wena. Uzoyiqinisa leyo nto leyo in your system. And then uzohlupheka, uhluphekise nengane zakho, uhluphekise nengane zengane zakho. That's the only thing I wanted to explain, guys. That's what I wanted to explain. Why did I want to explain that? I've seen it a lot when I'm doing my readings. I've seen it a lot when I'm healing people. People have got beautiful gifts of healing. They are failing to align. Instead of them aligning, they are pulling all the adopted spirits via ibai eliro. But the strength and the powers are not the same, and the givers of our gifts are not the same. Tell me if I'm not making sense. Okay, Metrisha, Meyiga, Amen. Awavute me. Your teachings are eye-opening about Hamapai, but now what do you do with them after finding out it's from a bad ancestor after buying it? And remember now that door is already opened. How do you close it? Yes. Okay. That's a very beautiful question, an eye-opening question. I'm going to reply you now. You've already bought Lelo by Lelo, Me Mangi. And then you see things, your spiritual problems are getting worse. And remember, impilo yomuntu is spiritual. Your luck is spiritual. If it's tied there, you're not going to prosper on earth physically. You've bought this cloth and you eventually see that things are not working according to plan. You've slaughtered. You've done everything. What do? You tell that spirit to leave you alone. You throw it away. You take it to the water. You take it to the water, okanye ulkubela phansi. And then uxolise. You ask forgiveness from your guys that you thought they were. And you tell the spirit, the evil spirit, it's very easy to cast the evil spirits. Nyezwi. Nyezwi. The very same voice that you heard that told you to buy that ancestral cloth that is wrong is the very same voice that you're going to use to cast that away. You simply take it away from you. It's either you dig it down or you let it in the waters. And you even tell it, look, I made a mistake. Now I've opened my eyes. And now I've discovered that you are a virus. After all, you're not a good spirit in my life. And then you continue casting it for the next 7 days. ugeze. You will need to wash it away. You will need to bath spiritually. You will need a spiritual bath at the same time. Throw that thing away. It doesn't belong to you. It's bringing you lots and lots of difficulties, lots and lots of problems in your life. After all, it's going to affect your family because you are the chosen person that is supposed to eradicate those problems. Amen. Hope you are answered, Trisha. Liam, Itelavufa. Amen, Mkulu. Can you please touch on each as Eli green or green? Right. Liam, the green jazz, each as Eli green. It's a prayer cloth. It's a prayer garment. If you are shown each as Eli green, it means you've got a gift of prophecy. You've got a gift of nature. You've got a gift of working with water. You will get dreams whereby you are praying. You will be praying in your dreams. You will be singing in your dreams. You will be in churches like Zion or these prophetic churches. Hope you are answered, Liam. Hope you are answered. Okay. You are prophetic. Unobizo lwamanzi, unobizo lokuthandaza. And then, as your gift grows, as you align, Gahle, Liam, you are going to be using herbs to heal the people, and you are going to use water. You are going to use iswasho. You're not going to be in hard mood. You are not going to be allowed to touch isqito. You are not going to be allowed to curse. That is when your gift grows. Remember, the gift grows every day. What I'm correcting you is the things that I went through as well. Mina as a person. Thank you, Makey Filwe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vantwana Bambo Moya. Any questions? Any more questions? Right, I will continue teaching while I'm waiting for your questions. That is why if you buy a wrong ancestral cloth, and then if you slaughter wrongly, or if you twasa wrongly, uzobona izinto zima worse than before. You will see your life become stagnant. You will see your progress in life. You will see that promotion that you were supposed to get at work going down. You will see them telling you sorry, blah, blah, blah. You will see yourself going through disciplinary course. You will see yourself in jail. You will also get depressed there. Anxiety attacks. That's the gift for you. If you don't know, ask me. Amen. I had a reading for a lady who was crying yesterday. She cried. She says to me, I've done everything. I've done amabai, but life is stagnant. Nyakula, nyafeba. She even told me that. I sleep with a guy today, tomorrow I want to sleep with another one, tomorrow I want to sleep with another one. Why? It's a spirit. Why does this spirit wants you to sleep with everybody? There is danger in sex. There is danger in sex. You are exchanging a lot of things. That on its own is going to be a topic on its own. Not even mentioning that you're going to land up in chronic diseases that you can't even heal. That is beside the point. But we are here discussing spiritual matters. But is young medical as well. So she says Nyafeba. She says I've bought Amabai. She says to the extent that someone just paid Lobola to me. After 3 months, I no longer want that person. I don't want him. I don't want him anymore. I'm not laughing because it's laughable. I'm laughing because I'm actually shielding my tears inside. I'm shielding my internal tears. Akazenzi. Akazenzi. Loyo muntu loyo. Because it's evil spirits that once had to land up with a chronic disease that she can't answer. She can't comprehend. And then we say, how? We expected that. Uyazi banjani. Awavuthe mehewan. We expected that. Uyakhala, uthi umsebenzi uyaphela from having a higher management post. She's now working as sporting. She says she enjoys that. But you can see that this thing has even blocked her brain, eh? It's now affecting the mental status of herself. Okay, Liam, Delagufa. Yeah, your name makes me laugh. Thank you, Mkulu. I'm answered very well. And Gwenzagala, exactly what you are saying on my dreams, but I can't find anyone to help. Bayehluleka. Sengize ngayekela konke manje. Liam, your gift is very powerful. The bigger the gift, the more problems you will have. Ungayeki, your gift is powerful. You've got ubizo lwangempela olungathengwa. Yeah, green is nature. What is nature? Nature is God. If you didn't know, it's a topic for another day. Molo Hilda Manganyembe. Greetings, Gogo. I would like to know how do I align with my gift and my guides. I feel like I need help because I can't do it by myself. I've been paddling, but I feel I'm not yet connected. Hilda, it's difficult. You can't do it by yourself. It's not going to be easy for you to do it with yourself. Get a mentor that resonates with you. Get a mentor. Our gifts are different. We've got different gifts. And we are of different organogram. So find a mentor that is going to tell you, okay, this week senzani. Indaba iqala ekuhloleni. During a reading, a person must tell you everything. If uyafemba, afembe. And actually everything. Don't tell a healer why you are there. Just sit and say, hey, I'm here. Tell me more about myself. And then all those things are going to come out of the healer. To avoid into so wrong. To avoid wasting your time to a person who is not going to help you. Do you know that you can go to a healer who is less powerful than your gift? And then your things will go down. All your blessings will go down. Makosi to makosi. Commoner to commoner. Simple as that. I know you're going to be mutilating me tomorrow. Ngimlindile, count your blessings. Ngumgcojwa kaNkulunkulu angizibizanga. I'm hoping, Mehilda, you are answered. It's not going to be easy to do it alone because you are not going to understand some dreams. Ungayi ngoGoogle. uGoogle ubalahle kakhulu abantu. A sex dream can mean isilwane to someone else, can mean luck to someone else. A poo dream can mean iscrito to someone else, can mean luck to someone else. Right? Know that and know that very well. Ozani nembuzo faniswa molweni. Ndiyabulela kakhulu. It's good to know that some people are learning. Thank you so much. You undenza ndibe nomdla wokufundisa ke sana. Xa uthetha ngolu hlobo kum. I'm going to continue teaching those that wants to learn. Right. Now, uwathengile amabhayi, uyalwa, unama anxiety attacks, uyalahlekelwa, umsebenzi uyaphela. Why kuba nama attacks angaka? Why so many many spiritual attacks in your life. Ask yourself why. These are the things that I wanted to explain. And I was attacked and mutilated. Why kuba nama attacks angaka? Be careful of amabai. Be careful of intwaso wrong. I'm going to repeat that one 1,000,000 times so that it gets into everybody's scalp, because not everybody hears once. Our IQs are not the same. Yes. There's also something called ascended spirits. There's something called unascended spirits that will haunt your life on earth. You will have business liphele, you will have umsebenzi uphele, ekhaya kini nivelelwe yinkinga, then eventually niyakubazalwane. Nalapho you will only enjoy the preachings, you will only enjoy the motivation yangalelo langa. You will get out of that service and say, oh, Mthunzi, it was like they were talking to me today. All the verses that was read, it was like they were talking to me. But it will only be the motivation for that time. It will only be the peace for that time. But they won't be able to solve your problem. Ask me, I've been everywhere. I went to all churches that you may think, but no one can heal me. Those that are mutilating me, I've asked this question: why didn't they heal me? Why am I a healer today and a powerful one? And a powerful one. No manga business. Thank you, Mahilda. Why couldn't they heal me? Why couldn't they heal you? This thing is a process. It's a process. You do not get tired of it. You do not get ngah of it. If you get tired of it, then get tired of drinking water, get tired of bathing, get tired of eating. You need to treat spirituality as your daily thing. Treat spirituality as your daily thing. You will see your life is going to change. There's no shortcuts. There is no shortcuts. Yes, miracles will be there because I do perform them. Yes, your business will open up. Yes, you will get that promotion. Yes, you will get this, you will get that. But the core is for you to live internally. Internal happiness. That's the start of your living. Money is the spice of life. Money brings us comfort, but it's actually not life. We need it because it brings us comfort. You need to embrace your spirituality. You need to love your gift. You need to heal other people. Many of you here are gifted. You are gifted. Why are you gifted? Why ukhethiwe? You are gifted to change the society. I've changed. I've healed abantu abahlanya ngengqondo because of black magic. I've healed a lot of people. I've you know what? Laba bathi fake. Comment, search, and then count your luck. Count your days. Younger, no one is able to heal you. The bigger the gift, the bigger the problems. You are going to be healed. You are. By me telling you this, it's the start of your healing. Sizwe malinga. Thokozo gogo, I just like buying you. I just like buying you. Or I just like buying ubuhlalu. I put them together and sometime I wear ubuhlalu. Is this a problem? You just like buying it. If you're buying it without any incantations, without any spiritual whatever, it's just like a necklace. It's just like a bangle that you buy. I'm talking here about ancestral things that were told in your ears by a witch that never ascended on this earth. That's what we're talking about. Sizwe Maling. No Sipho Nhlapo. Amen mkhulu, siyabonga izimfundiso ezinamandla and for opening our eyes on this topic ehlupha most, if not all, abantwana bakwamoya mama. Wesizwa kwafuthi awavuthe mlilo wami uvuthe emanzini. Thank you so much. Make ifilwe which spirits are unascended spirits mkhulu. When you get time, please elaborate more. This is the time. Make ifilwe. Okay. There are the spirits that are unascended are the spirits of people that were not ready to pass on earth, are the spirits of people that did not discover their purpose on earth, and then suddenly they died untimely. So if you happen to buy ancestral cloth for those people, you are also going to experience what they experienced. You might get very sick, you might lose everything on earth, you might lose your comfort, you might lose your job, you might lose, you actually lose everything that gives you happiness. Because why? Ubavusile. I don't know if it will make sense. Maybe I will go. Maybe it's going to be a topic on its own because it's deep, it's huge. Unascended spirits. They get buried on earth, then they are not accepted because they did not carry on their purpose on earth. They did not complete their work on earth. Especially those that were doing the wrong things. Because uzovusa into zabo ezimbi via the clothes that you are buying. Ntate Thapelo. Awavuthe ntate. Is this the same case with beads? Can beads also be problematic as amabai? Yes. Any ancestral thing that you buy, yes. My answer is yes. They can be. Any ancestral things, they can be, yes. Buzan futhi. Because if you buy lama bailang, and then if you buy anything ancestral, whether my beads, whether my buy, you are waking up the evil spirits in the family. Remember, there were witches that came ngomshado. Remember, there were witches that came in the family to join the family. Obuhlobo thizeni, that were doing witchcraft, that were doing all the wrong things in the family. Some of those ladies or men, they were chased from those villages. They used to be chased. They used to be told, we cannot allow you. The chiefs or the king will chase those people. They are going to change the village. They are going to change the village because they are not needed there. They are not wanted. Then it turns out it's your aunt or it's your coco or it's whoever. Then suddenly upupisa amabai, and you are buying those ancestral clothes. You are bringing that person back into the family line, lineage. You are bringing nento zakhe. You are bringing a spirit esingcolile in the family by you buying ibai eli wrong. Okay. That is why ubona impilo yakho ime ndawonye. I did not say wonke amabai are wrong. I said you are going to work that particular spirit that wasn't doing things right in the family. Me Ignatia Lindiwe Nhlapo, I dreamt wearing white beads. What do they mean? Should I buy them? That you need a reading, me. That you need a reading to clarify your dreams. I'm here talking about the people that already bought those things. I'm here talking about the people that bought amabai, bought amabeads, and the life is still stagnant, and they're still incurring the problems, worse problems that they used to incur before they bought those things. Okay, that's what I'm talking about here, man. If you want that, You book a reading with the healer that resonates with you, and they're going to help you. I am not doing readings here. I am clarifying the matters that are troubling people. I'm sure it's going to make sense to you. I'm a straightforward person, so don't take offense. Don't feel rejected. It is as it is, because your question needs a reading, and I'm not here for readings. I'm here to clarify issues. Okay, guys, if Senbuzile, Nasuta, if there's no more questions, I'm going to cut. Where are the bullies today? I wanted them here because they made me so happy that, wow, ngabizwa ngempela. Eh. Awavuthe phila. They really made me know that I'm really, really, really gifted. Because if you are loved by people, you must know that there's something that you're not doing right. Kule way, akekho umuntu ozokuthanda. Why will you be loved by people? Because we see everything. We see everything before they happen. Abantwana bami will tell you that umama wabo see things for the world. I don't say them with social media because some of them are politically motivated. So I keep them to those that maybe in church I share with them in church or rescolren. I don't say it. We see everything. It's going to be difficult for you to even have friends, because people that lives with you, they have to be pure. Your husband or your wife has to be pure. Once they exchange the numbers, before the end of the day, you will know. You will definitely know. I've said it. If you are loved in this gift, if you are a gifted person and people loves you, you are fake. So you are not doing something right. You better love yourself. Amen. Ntate Thabo, you don't have questions. Okay. Mfakelo, evening mina ngiphupha ugogo wami engipha ombila omile. Were you trying to say that? O yellow no white, ngiphupha ngise manzini kusenzeka imagic. I don't know, is that a question or you sharing with me? I don't understand if it's a question or you just sharing with me. Mdase, elaborate. I'm not here ukuchaza maphupho. I'm not here to do the readings. If you are sharing with me, I appreciate our vote. Melirato Hewana and Shem asithandwa bakithi you mara kulungile. Yes, kulungile. Why must you be loved? Was Jesus loved? Was Jesus loved? Nancy phone iwa, guys, sorry. Whoever loved Jesus? Whoever loved any prophets? Whoever loved any healer? You are not loved. If you are loved, you are fake. Our vote, Hlumis. If you are loved, you are fake. You are fake. There's something that you're not doing right. So let them be. Let them be. Let them be. Love yourself. But you won't be hated by everybody. No. You're only going to attract few people that are clean and pure. Because if you're a truthful person, generally people don't like the truth. They do not like the truth. You tell them the truth, they're going to mutilate you. Hilda Nyembe, Gogo, I want to ask Uthi, what do we do with unclean ancestors? Can we cleanse to ascend to the light and become good? Losses, moreover, there is no dustbin to throw. Wow, what a beautiful question. Yes, you cleanse them. You cleanse them, you pray, you help them to align. Get somebody that knows how to help them to align. Help them to ascend. Instead of saying align, help them to ascend. then it's going to be fine. You need to help them to ascend. That's why you endlin and lali mkhulu kwa ebusuku. In my first house, I couldn't sleep. I had a white woman walking, flushing the toilets at night. Flushing the toilets at night, cooking in my kitchen. Oh, there's a question that I've missed here. Okay. Cooking in my kitchen, washing dishes in my kitchen. Guys in. And I was staying alone those years, long, many moons ago. Water will open. I'm a very, very bold girl. You know what? I would go and check, but there would be nothing. The minute I go back to sleep, plates in the kitchen everywhere. Why? They were following a gifted child. And probably someone else wasn't even going to hear that. But because I'm gifted, I did not know those years. I had such things happening. You will hear yes, I have no reason to lie about that, but I was super duper scared. It was so scary, guys. I was cold in my knees, but I had to go and check what was going wrong. I called people to come and help me. I called Abatandas. I called Izangoma. I called Abazalwane to come and pray. The whole night. That granny did not go until years later when I started my healing journey, when I started to heal people. I told her to leave. It was, okay, let me not say nationality because people are angry. And they project it on Facebook, on social media. Let me not tell you the nationality of the person, but I told her to leave. And then she said, why are you chasing me? We've been living together. I said, no, now it's time for you to go. I'm comfortable now. I had to cleanse my house. I had to do a lot that I can't discuss with you here. But that's what happened to me. That was an example typically of an unascended spirit, because she was clinging on to her house. She probably did not finish her purpose on earth. She didn't finish her purpose on earth, and unfortunately, I wasn't her bloodline, so I had to chase her. Evening, mina ngiphupha ugogo wami engipha umbili. Oh, okay. We've seen that one. Asithandwa gogo, yes, it's fine. Why will you be loved by people that are fake? The only people that will love you are people that are authentic like you. You attract who you are. So leave them, it's fine. You don't ask iswekile kubo. Mawavuthe hlumisa, wavuthe kakhulu. Siyabonga Ntate Thabo. Thank you, Mefifi. It makes sense. Yes, thank you. Which spirits unascended? I think I answered that one. It makes sense. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Mkulu. I'm answered very well. And kwenzakala exactly what you are saying on my dreams, but I can't find anyone to help. No, don't stop. It's your gift. It's not going to go anywhere. Instead, you're going to incur problems. Who else wants to ask anything? I don't want to sound boring, and I don't want to be long. Long videos are boring, my guys. It looks like you've asked the questions, guys. Can we pen off? Does anybody wants to ask anything? There was Ignatius' question that I can't find. Just disappeared. Okay. It's about her dream. She wants dream interpretation. We're not there for that today, Mama. Next time. Hilda Gogo, is it possible to find out about your spiritual gift at the later stages of your life? Yes, yes, definitely. Yes. Yes. It doesn't have an age. Death is an illusion, age is an illusion. Right? It's a topic on its own. It's deep. Yes. Because it doesn't matter how old you are. You need to leave things right. When you leave this earth, you need to leave things right. Don't leave things hanging. Liam Mkhulu, for the last time, xa ubona umuntu ongugogo engena olwandle, then kuphume a black dog emanzini ijabule. That needs inhlolo. That needs inhlolo. I'm not interpreting dreams today, yeah? Sangishaya nesilungu. Siyabonga Mkhulu, we've learned a lot tonight. Thank you Mkhulu. I'm happy that you guys are learning. Nosi Ponhlapo, Amen Mkhulu, thank you so much for such a powerful teaching. This is gold. It's very rare to a healer that knows what they're doing and a healer that heals as comprehensively. Yes, I'm a comprehensive healer, my dear. Thank you so much. If you learned our vote, asazovota, asazoqhuma, asazobila. Thank you so much, guys. I think we need to finish. If you all satisfied, thank you so much. If at all you remember something when we finished, when we've closed, you can write me on the comment section. Please do not inbox me. My WhatsApp is only for bookings. I've got a healing school. Ngiyahlola, ngiyafemba, ngiyelapha. Right? Treat your gift as an egg. Angithi mawuqeda ukuthenga amaqanda, uwaphatha kahle so that they don't break. A gift is like an egg. So don't treat it like a curse. It's not a curse. It feels like a curse from the beginning when you are disaligned, when you don't know what you're doing. It will actually feel like a curse. It will feel like a curse when you're denying it. Ask me. Yes, I did deny. I did deny. And it was very difficult. It was dark. It was dark. I'm happy now. I'm peaceful now. I accepted. I'm a healer. I was born a healer and I will die a healer. Professionally, I'm a healer. Spiritually, I'm a healer. So, I'm a combo. I will always repeat that. Yes, because the assessment that I do during the reading, it helps me. Okay, this person is sick. This person is already on chronic. I'm not going to kata you. I'm not going to palazisa you, because why? You already lost so much electrolytes in your body, so much water in your body. So why will I do that? So I've got a health background that helps me to work. And I was gifted with a beautiful gift that has changed people's lives. Good night, guys.